Alright guys, this is a 95 Chevy Suburban K1500. It's the 5.7 TBI. I was having problems whenever the starter got hot, or after I ran it a while. I would come back to it kind of slow cranking, kind of didn't want to start, but it would still start. And the battery gauge, my battery gauge was running low, below 12 14 volts. And every time I turned the signal on or pushed on the brake or something, my battery was good. I had a brand new alternator, and it turned out to be the battery cables. I ran all new cables, one from here to the fuse box and one down there to the starter. I put a brand new starter in it, and I got these the negative cable as well. These parts I ordered off of Amazon, pretty cheap for AC Delco. This is it's a BWD, I believe, from O'Reilly's. Either way, it still works. You can see I got a Walmart battery, but shit, gets my car started. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know that if you're experiencing the same problems I did, switch out those battery cables. Thank you. Have a good day.